Hot take, if your YouTube keeps buffering, could be your Starlink.
Something could be obstructing it, but it could be something else.
It's really annoying to watch videos when YouTube it's constantly buffering on your Starlink. You're in the middle of a true crime video essay and then non-stop buffering, freezing, laggy video. Sometimes it won't even play unless you lower the resolution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow Starlink for a much smoother YouTube experience. Although Starlink is the best satellite internet solution out there right now, there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. Before you try anything, make sure that your dish is not obstructed. The easiest way to mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Obviously, you shouldn't have something covering your dish, but even if you don't, you might still have a tree or part of your roof partially obstructing your connection. And the satellites move around overhead, so check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dishy has a clear view of the sky. Now, even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from other Wi-Fi connections. There could be drops in coverage as satellites move around, or you could just have an old and faulty dish. Either way, Starlink satellites all rotate at the exact same time, once every 15 seconds. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss, which can affect your video streams. The solution is Speedify. The secret to cutting out most of these connection issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. Now, that connection could be 4G, or it could be 5G, or even some old DSL line. It could even be another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability. This keeps your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. Now, you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? It's easy. Just download Speedify. Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level, which means you can use it to increase your bandwidth. As you add more connections, this results in a smoother playback on YouTube. Plus, if you want to add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability, you don't need extra adapters. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share the same cellular connection over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi hotspot, download Speedify for free on all of your devices, and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues watching YouTube, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from the Google Play or the Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable and secure internet. If you want to learn more useful tech tips on how to make your internet faster, more reliable, and secure, subscribe to our channel for more videos.